Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gadgets.
Today, we're diving into the world of action-packed footage with the GoPro Quik app. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the pricing and plans. The Quik app offers a range of subscription options, but it's clear that it's tailored for GoPro enthusiasts.
While the free option gives you a taste, unlocking the full potential means subscribing, which might not be ideal for everyone.
Now, let's dive into the interface. Designed primarily for mobile devices, the interface is intuitive and straightforward.
It's optimized for portrait mode, which might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it works well, especially on tablets.
When it comes to video editing, Quik offers two main modes: Murals and Studio. Murals are perfect for quick, automated edits, while Studio gives you more control over your project.
However, some actions may require more tapping than necessary, which can be a bit cumbersome.
Speaking of tools, Quik offers a variety of options for beginners, from basic trimming to color correction. While it's great for getting started, experienced editors might find it a bit limiting. Plus, many features are locked behind a subscription paywall. In conclusion, GoPro Quik is a solid choice for GoPro users looking to quickly edit their footage on the go.
It's user-friendly and offers some neat features, but it might not be the best option for everyone, especially if you're not heavily invested in the GoPro ecosystem. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, stay adventurous.